All right, number 3 says a grocer wants to mix two kinds of coffee. One sells for $2.15 a pound. The other sells for $2.45 a pound. He wants to mix a total of 18 pounds and sell it for $2.30. So similar to the percent problems, we have a mixture. Now these mixture problems will be set a little bit different. So here's what we want to do. We still have two unknowns. So we're going to say X is pounds, LB pounds at the $2.15 cost, and Y will be the pounds at the $2.45. All right, so we know we have a total of 18. It says he wants to mix a total of 18. So I know X plus Y equals the 18 pounds. All right, and then we have to use our dollar amounts to figure out total. So if we multiply the cost times the pounds, and then this cost times this pounds, it gives me the overall cost, which is the $2.30 times this pounds. You got to put all that together. So my second equation is going to be 2.15x plus 2.45y equals the 2.30 per pound. It's kind of like an average of these pounds when we mix it together, times the total pounds, which was 18. Okay, so this will be the setup when you have mixture. A lot of times we just want to put that final number over there like we did in the previous problem, but this is a little bit different because we have this mixture going together, so we also have to multiply the results. Okay, we're going to solve by elimination, so I'm going to multiply by 100 to get rid of the decimals. So multiplying by 100, this gives me 2.15x. Multiplying by 100, this gives me 2.45y. Okay, so let's figure this out first. So 2.30 times 18, 2.30 times 18. So what we actually have here, this is equal to $41.40. When we multiply that by 100, it moves it over twice, and so that gives us 4,140. Okay, so this is that new equation, just transform. Okay, so smaller number is x is 215. So I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 215 so that x can be eliminated. Negative 215. So that gives me a negative 215x. Gives me minus 215y. And then negative 215 times 18. So negative 215 times 18 gives me a negative 3,870. All right, so now we can add these two equations together, and these get eliminated. This leaves me with 30y, and this, when we subtract 14, leaves me with 7. 10 from 8 is 2. So that leaves me with 0. Bring down 0. Okay, 270. Divide by 30. up with y equals 9. So we use 9 pounds of the mixture that costs $2.45, which means if I just go back and plug this 9 in my original equation here, so x plus y, which is 9, equals 18. And when we subtract 9, we get that x is also 9. So we put 9 pounds of each mixture to get a total mixture that costs $2.30 per pound at 18 pounds of that. So we use 9 pounds at the $2.15 and 9 at the $2.45.